In this video, I'll walk you through how to withdraw crypto from BingX to Binance step by step. First, open Binance. Once you're inside, go to your wallet section. At the top, switch from exchange to wallet so you can access your funds. Next, click on the big yellow Receive button. From there, select Receive Tokens via Address. Now, search for the cryptocurrency you want to receive. After selecting it, Binance will generate your deposit address. Simply copy that wallet address carefully. Now move over to BingX. On the main screen, tap the More icon, then choose Withdraw. Search for the same coin you selected on Binance and select the On-Chain Withdrawal option. Paste your Binance wallet address into the recipient field. After that, choose the correct network. This is very important. For example, if you're using Solana, make sure both BingX and Binance are set to Solana to avoid losing funds. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw and select the correct account type, such as spot or fund account, depending on where your crypto is stored. Once everything is confirmed, proceed with the withdrawal. After a short processing time, your crypto will arrive in your Binance wallet. And that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from BingX to Binance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides.